Good afternoon, friends. Right now, if you see the market opened a nice gap up, short size of going, and suddenly, most of those people who bought in FOMO got stuck here, right? Okay, before I start, are you all able to hear me? Okay, or hear me? Hear me out? Super. Please give a like if you're able to hear. All of you, please, are you able to see the screen? Okay. So what is that the market did? Market, if you notice, is very smart. Okay, market very smartly opened a gap up here, correct? So people in FOMO who were bought here would be stuck because the next minute all the longs got stop loss got hit here, and then sudden move upside. So if you notice, the market has just been in this particular range for some time. What? Okay, it has been moving down, up, down, and in this we did some bit of a profit. Okay, now most of people, because it is gap and open gap up, are stuck here. Many of them looking thinking that this will be a breakout, but stuck here. Many thinking this is a breakdown, they're stuck here, breakdown, stuck here, and now market is just premium getting killed. If you notice, 79 700 call opened at what price? 280, right? And right now, and made a low of 220 points, or maybe 250 points. Right now trading at 71, right? And here 79 400 put, okay, made a high of 570, and right now trading at how much? 60 to 80 point, 80. So what has happened? People who bought here, right, looking at this green candle, maybe this grand candle or whatever, are stuck, right? We of course did some few trades, we made some profits. So, and finally we are settled in a hedge trade. Okay, so we did of course had a stop loss which got hit once, and we had two trades morning, which was in stocks, Reliance. We had okay, these were the two trades. Some Pharma, before the open itself, we gave for we buy above 40, it went to 60, and then Sensex 340, it went to 400 more, and then Dr. Reddy's 1290 call, from 40 it went to 50 plus. Okay, Reliance from 30 it has gone to 50 plus as well. So these were the trades in the stock market which is closed now, and we are looking at only the Sensex. Okay, while we are going into Sensex, if BL we are looking at longs, we are also looking at Reliance for 50% returns in next 2-3 years. And now let's look at, while we're looking at, look at the way the market has started going down. But if you see the put, let me open 79 400 put. Okay, we are looking to buy this above 120, and it is moving up strongly. Okay, I think there's a lag here in this. Okay, so above 120 I'm looking to add this, because 120 to 140 I'm very bullish. Okay, let us see. There's a lot of lag between TradingView and our regular broker. 79,400 currently at 110, but in the TradingView it says 82. It's really not a good sign actually. Anyways, so I think basically premiums are getting killed. All right. You see the market is, trading, as I said, trading in this range and typically killing the premium. Okay. Meanwhile, let's look at other stocks. As I was mentioning, Reliance, I'm looking at a time frame of 2 years. I'm looking at targets of about 30%. That is what I have mentioned. So, what would be the target if I typically enter here? So that means to say I am expecting around 1,800, correct? Or maybe more. So let's see what is the entry going to be, or rather a proper entry for this would be. Okay. So is the swing trade, short term view. Uh, However, if you see the range of Reliance is from here till this level, 1,120 levels. If I remove all this, or rather I hide all the drawings, let's look at. You can very clearly see there's a trend line from here. So typically the price has to test this level 1281, which almost has done, and then start moving up. Okay. So you can do a SIP instead of, because it is target is for 2 years. So maybe after 1.5 to 2 years, we may see 30-40% or maybe more also. Okay. So that's the idea. And let's look at what's happening in HDFC Bank. HDFC seems to be at this trend line. So maybe it will take out all the retailers. It may come till this level and then start moving up. Okay. Infosys today has been slightly weak. It has taken a breakout, so maybe more downside is possible, or it needs to come into this zone for a upside. But I typically see Infosys, there is a possibility of it to come up to 940 levels. Okay, let me 940, yeah, 949, yeah, this level. So then we can probably look at a big move. Okay. SpiceJet, of course, has been down, and it's almost at the bottom, 10 rupees, which I think we should typically pick if the fundamentals may take time, of course, do well, they may hit 60 to 80 levels in 2 years time. Okay, the risk is definitely there in any kind of a trade when you're investing, right? It's just that the risk here could be slightly more or less. That's a different story. Okay, meanwhile friends, if you have any questions, you can please feel free to put it in the chat box. I'm expecting a big move of at least 500 to 600 points, but this may happen post what you can say 2 o'clock. Market right now is I think there is a little buffer, or the internet is slow. Okay, so there is a chance that there's a breakout, but breakout possibilities that can come down. Okay, I foresee a downside, but since market has, we cannot say anything. Let us wait and watch. Currently, of course, it is in the range still. All right. But as per the chart pattern, what I see that it can be a sell on the rise. Okay, can be a sell on the rise. So please quickly put in the chat box what are you holding. As I said, I am looking at possibly a sell on the rise. So I have two trade. As I said, I am looking at 79,400. If this crosses 140, 150, okay, 79,400 put crosses 140, 150, then easily we can see a double, or even 140 we can see maybe 300, 400 also. But then we need to wait. It's almost like 150 now. Post 2 o'clock we should see a proper move. Market typically is bearish, but this is a good gap up. The gap is almost kind of filled here. Okay, market is not going to give anything easily, right? Market will never give anything easily. The big players always will trap. Most of the players I know are on the bull side, because I did make a small. Okay, let us see what are the. Okay, I don't see. How come I don't see any? Okay, let's see. Give me a minute. My WhatsApp is slightly slow getting updated. There's some issue with the internet, I'm guessing. Okay, most of them are stuck in the long side. Okay, as per the chat. Okay, I'm expecting, as I said, 79,400 above 1.4. Okay, let me show you what I have shared. Okay. So above 148, 150, I'm expecting 220, maybe 300 to 400 also. And as you see, market seems to be on the bear side, or rather slowly coming down. Let us see, it may suddenly bounce up and then come down also. We never know what market can do, right? So far our 79,400 put what we can typically do is 79,400 two lots and 79,700 one lot you can buy. That will make you on the safer side. Or let's see, 79,500 put. Okay, now I think 79,500 put above 200. It should hit at least 300, 350. Okay, as I said, this is not going to be a easy cakewalk for anybody. Okay, it'll take some time. Let's see what does everybody feel. Nobody has replied so far. What are they holding? Okay. See the way the market is moving. I don't see the Sensex is moving. Okay, 79,500 put has of course moved. Okay, great. 79,400 put has crossed our entry level. So let us see if it can move quickly, because looks like all the calls are getting trapped. Let us see. I'm not this. This is my view. People who are interested can buy the puts with a stop loss of 125. Okay. 79. Great. 155. If you want, you can even buy 79,300, but that's going to be too far, right? Let us see. 79,300 put. Okay, 100. What you can do is add 79,300 put. Yeah, 110. Yeah, 105, 110 is good. And it's a hero zero trade. Stop loss will be 60. Target will be 220, 240. Okay, let us see. 79,400 put from 148 has gone to 160. Out there in my channel also, I mentioned many are stuck in the longs, and I also mentioned big move of 600 points possibly coming in Sensex. Many would be buyers stuck in the longs today. Today market is very tricky, correct? People that are given me this same. People are thinking, okay, 600 points not possible. Let us see what will happen. Okay, great. 79,400 put, 170 now. Awesome. That was the trade we shared. $79,400 P 170 now. Still you can keep 160, I guess. Yeah. And half book around 220, 200. Okay. Okay, let's come back to our entry price. Let us wait. See, market is like that, It may even retrace back and then come down. So that's okay. That doesn't matter much. See, keeping a stop loss is depends on your risk, trailing your stop loss, booking partial. But if you're confident that your trade will go in your favor, then I think we should wait. Okay. If you want 79,300 put also, you can buy at 105. Stop loss will be 60. Target will be 200 plus. Okay. Great. Not bad. Our view has been almost right, I can say. I wouldn't say I'm perfectly right. So far, 79,400 has been moving in our favor. Right. But I haven't seen the 600 move, still in Sensex. Okay. Okay, let us keep our stop loss. Right, because okay, 175. I am waiting for something. Waiting for some confirmation. That is it. Half book, please. Around 185, 183. Done. Let us wait for 200. And as I mentioned, okay, 79,300 has gone from 110 to 130. Superb. Okay. Superb. Excellent. Great. So I hope you all enjoyed 148 or 150 to 180 so far. So great. So I think I saw a lot of people. Let's see. So stuck in short. Why am I not seeing it here? Okay. Though I see it in my mobile, I'm not able to see it over here. That's fine. Okay. So we'll wait. The other way, as I said, simple way of doing it is buy 79. Wait, 79,300 call and put. 79,300 call and put. Yeah. No. 79,300 put. 79. Yeah, 79,300 call and put will be a good one. But I'll wait for price to give me a confirmation. Okay, the other safe trade if you want for the members, let me share here. Buy 4 lots, 79, 400, no, 79, 300, 400 call and 79, 300 P. Around 90. Your SL should be around 20, your target should be around 240, one side, 250 I can say. Market has retraced a bit. It may retest this trend line and then again put side may trigger. Let us wait. We'll wait. See, market is not going to give you any easy money always. Okay, super. Again, the put side has got triggered. 79 400 put, crossing 144 50 48 is crossed. So 4 lots. I'll ask him to add. Yeah. Okay. Superb. 170 once again. I told you guys, friends, I had already mentioned put side will run, calls will get trapped. This was my view on the chat speak channel. So most of your calls members who taken calls would have got stuck. This is how market is. If you don't understand the market, then you get stuck. Great. I 79 300. So all the calls are trapped. Wonderful. Fantastic. Look at the way. Fantastic. You can book. Okay. Uh, Even if the market moves up, I see a big chance for opportunity for us to go again short. If you required 79, Let's see, 79,600 call, no. 79,500 call, just seeing if you should take this 79,500 call or 79,400 put again. Sorry, 79,400 put. So we'll wait for 79,400 put once again, because I see the chart is kind of stuck here, or rather the market is stuck here. So we'll wait for that, and then we will look for re-entries. So looks like there's a re-entry coming in as price is moving down. If you want a hero zero trade and look at buying 79, wait, I'll let you 79 300 put and 79, yeah, 79 400 call, 4 lots each. Fantastic. Put is going to rock now. Done. How is the Josh, guys? 79 400 is cracked. Look at this move. Look at the move here. Super. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. All those buyers in longs. Loss. Okay, I had already told 79 300 put should hit how much? 220. Let us see if it is hit 220. 79 300 is now 100 to 150 so far. Okay, let us wait and see. Wait and watch. Patience is the key, guys. Patience is the key. How much is 79 400 put? High made of 220. Superb. So how much? How many of you stuck? I have given also this trade 79 400 call and 79 300 put. Okay, let us see. Stop loss is 20. It's really bad at when you are expecting short covering rallies, when you are expecting big upside and all that. All of them would be stuck. Look at our 79 400 put. What was our entry level? 148, correct? It went up, came down, again we got an entry. right? And what is that I mentioned in the channel? This I mentioned, many would be stuck in longs today. Market very tricky, correct? This was what I mentioned. Why did I say long? Stuck in longs. I didn't say stuck in puts, no? I said longs. And people were thinking when market went up, nicely market got stuck here. Nobody realized that, market will come down. They thought the big breakout, short covering rally, um, whatnot. Superb. Excellent. Fantastic. I'm sure money would be expecting Nifty to hit 74, 700, this gap to be filled and all that. Okay, let's see. I'm checking in my phone by WhatsApp what other groups have said. Many are now saying that I could see a fall before a rise. Now, this is another great thing. Ah, super fantastic. Dear Papa. 79,400 is rocking, waiting for 240 to 300. Partially we already booked. Okay, good going. I think we can close the day. Interested may connectors SL20 meaning SL is a stop loss. Okay, 79,400 is 200 now. What else we need? Please book as per your risk appetite and thanks for joining in, guys. Thank you all for. Please give a like if you liked our view. God bless you all, and God bless all the call buyers. Fantastic. How much is my put? 79,400. 220. What was my entry? 150. Was I biased on longs? No, I was biased on put. Right? Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. 79 300 put is at 160 now. Any doubt? 79 300, 79 400 SL. SL hit 20, but one side target is gone, right? Who is this guy who's talking? He says 79 300, 79 400 exit. Two 40, maybe 230. How much is it now? I think 79 300 hit 170, and partial you can book. Yeah. Why is the confusion? Patience, guys, patience. Target is patience. This is some people ask some quotes I don't understand. Should I buy at 170? Is this equity that I tell them buy it? This is not equity. This is options. Premium can decay. Premium can go. I don't understand what is the queries. Okay. Don't want to spend time. Okay, as I have told, please keep a tag on Reliance and HDFC Bank. Uh, what is the other share I was talking about? BEL, yeah. BEL. Okay. So swing trade on BEL, I expect targets of 500. You can hold for more as per your. Oh, superb! It's a big breakout. I'm not trading with breakouts. I'm just going to go for small. Okay. Thank you all. God bless you. Take care and bye bye.